Hey y'all, good morning. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren. You can call me Lo, you can call me Lolo, whatever you would like. So today I just dropped the kids off at school. I'm just waiting for Lux to go into school actually, but it is a nice day today, y'all. I think it's gonna be like 70 and it's Friday, so yeah. So what I'm thinking about today is I want to go ahead and we need to do these lashes because your girl's looking bald. I did want to go ahead and get my eyebrows waxed because like it's just time. Like my girls is looking real bushy and baggy. But I want to go get ahead and get my eyebrows waxed. So I'm gonna see about that. I did go to the beauty supply store yesterday and I did go get a braid ponytail, and that braid ponytail looked like a question mark. So it's not gonna work out. So I just had this little bun in my head, which is perfectly fine because yeah, I want to try to get my hair done sometimes next week. So we'll see. But yeah, definitely need to go do my lashes. I definitely need to go to Target, pick up some items because we don't have any mouthwash. We need new toothbrushes. I need a new sponge for our dishes, some dishwashing liquid, and what else? I'm pretty sure I'm missing something else. I am thinking about cooking tonight. I'm thinking about doing some braised lamb that I actually got from my mom, and maybe some mashed potatoes or a baked potato or a sweet potato. I don't know because yeah, y'all, I'm trying to watch what I eat. But yeah, so that's it for today. So like I said, I'm just waiting for Lex to go into school, and yep, we'll be on our way. So I'll see y'all later. Hey y'all, so I'm back. So I decided that before I go to Target, I need to get a matcha. Like I feel like my stomach is literally hitting my back and I'm kind of sleepy. I don't know, but I'm definitely gonna go ahead and grab me a matcha. I don't know I do know what flavor I'm gonna get. I'm not trying none of them little false scents. I'm sticking to what I know, which is 2 pumps of French vanilla, 2 pumps of blueberry. Tastes just like a blueberry muffin. It's gonna be so good. I already know it, with almond milk. And then we're gonna head to Target and see what we can get, the items I told y'all about. I've already had fall decor in my house, so I'm gonna see if I even want to go find some new stuff because I honestly have already looked and I didn't really see much where I'm at. So I'm not really pressed. I'm really pressed honestly about Christmas ornaments and what my tree theme is gonna be this year. And I honestly feel like it's gonna be some tones of like different blues, but we're gonna see. But yeah, I'm about to head to Dunkin' right now, get me a little matcha latte, and then we're gonna go to Target and get our stuff going. We got our matcha. Like I told you, I get the small iced matcha latte, 2 pumps of French vanilla, 2 pumps of blueberry. Yo, this shit is so good. It literally tastes just like a blueberry muffin. But yeah, we are on our way to Target to go get those items I was telling y'all about. So I'll see y'all there. Hey y'all, so I am in Target. I'm gonna put y'all right here actually. It's not gonna work. But I've been wanting a new rug so bad in our living room, and I've been wanting something cute, something fun, and I've really been liking like ones like these. I love these. I love the brand, the Threshold brand, obviously. I've just been wanting something new, and I don't know what I want to get. Like even this is super fun because I have a gray couch and I just want to break it up. Even this would be something nice, but I've been looking for a rug and I want something that's super fun for my living room. I don't know about these because you know Jay is bad, but yeah, I'm just in here looking just to see what other new ones they have. y'all see this coat? I love it. Y'all, I have been looking for this because I saw the commercial and I was like, vanilla shade, Old Spice. Okay, so it smells good. It's not as vanilla-y, but this is a body conditioner. So I'm interested to see this one. All right, y'all. So I'm back in the car. We did pick up a few. I picked up a few items, but I want to double check my receipt because it was saying I got 2 of the TheraBreath mouthwashes, and it's saying too, I should have got a gift card for the Colgate, and I should have got a gift card for the mouthwash. But I don't know. I need to double check that. I need to keep this receipt and see what's going on. But yeah, y'all. So what I got was, like I told y'all, the Old Spice vanilla. I literally just seen the commercial for this, and this is a body conditioner. So it says it conditions, soothes, and it deep cleanses. And this is the vanilla shea scent, and it was sold out on the shelf, so I couldn't get it. I got 2 of these TheraBreath. This is the best mouthwash aside from Smart Mouth. Then I got just some scrubbies because I'll do the last one away. And then I got the whole family some new toothbrushes because we really needed them. So I'm about to head home right now, get some work done, and I'll probably pick y'all up in a little bit after, you know, I see what I have to do. But oh, I did want to give y'all an update on the book. So I am reading Monday's Not Coming. Like I told y'all, the book so far is really good. I told y'all I kept picking. I could not put it down yesterday. Even last night when I was reading, I literally almost fell asleep because my eyes felt like it was crossing. But the book is really, really good. I was just telling my mom that it's the type of book that like starts in the past, like starts in the present, goes to the past, goes to the aftermath of what took place, but you still don't know what took place already. So that's why I'm like clenching at my seat every single time like something comes up. I'm like getting anxious in my stomach, like what's happening. But yeah, I'm gonna go home, you know, get settled in, you know, do what I have to do, whatever, and probably pick the book up again. I feel like I'm gonna be done with it this weekend, so we're gonna see. But yep, y'all, Target was a success. I didn't OD. I did see a few pieces like the coat. That coat was really, really cute, but I have a feeling it's not gonna get cold like that. And I have so many coats to rotate, I don't even want to go down that road. But that coat was really, really, really cute. So I will see y'all later. Hey y'all, so I'm actually back home. I'm about to actually do my lashes right now. I do them on TikTok, but I don't even know what I'm saying, but just do it. So yeah, I'm about to do my lashes. About to do that on TikTok. Get a little work done. And yeah, y'all, just wanted to give y'all an update that I am at home. Let me actually go ahead and get that book. Okay, so yeah, this is the book, Monday's Not Coming. The author is Tiffany Jackson. And like I said, y'all, I'm basically done. This is all I have left of the book. So I'm basically done with the book. I'll probably be done with it tonight. Yes, y'all, it's so good. But yeah, I'm about to do my lashes. I do want to go ahead and film this Shein accessories haul. I got these nails too because I'm thinking about putting them on. They look kind of long though, and that's just not my thing. So I don't know. I might do it, I might not. I might do it this weekend. I don't know, but they are kind of long. and I'm a short nail girl. But yeah, I'm about to get to work, get these lashes, do these lashes, and then I'm gonna film me a little Shein accessories haul. So I'm back. I just wanted to show y'all my breakfast real quick. I'm having a blueberry muffin with cream cheese. And then I bought these acai bowls that are from Sam's Club. And I just added peanut butter to it and a little agave because it is not sweet at all. Literally, I had no honey, so I had to use the agave. It's not sweet at all. So if you do see them at Sam's, just know. And they were on sale, so I see why. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna still go ahead and continue working. I just wanted to show y'all. I just wanted a quick little bite.